What's up, everybody? My name is Rob. Welcome to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, hey, hit the subscribe button and that notification bell for future videos and content like this. Now, first up, let's talk about the UAG Urban Armor Gear Pathfinder and Monarch cases for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now, UAG is probably one of the more popular cases out and around, and pretty much a go-to case for that for people who are looking for like those cases that give you the most protection. Now, Urban Armor Gear cases are pretty much on the expensive side, but if you ask a lot of people, they would tend to say it's pretty much worth the money for these cases. Now, first up, I got the Pathfinder in this new color. It's like a greenish army green type of color. Now, they do come in a black. They have a slate color, which is a little bit more of an aqua, and a white. All of them have the black trim on the top. Now, this Monarch series one I have is the carbon fiber one. Now, they have the other ones in the all black with the leather, and they have a red trim with the leather combination that goes for around $59.95 as of the making of this video, and the Pathfinder is $39.95 as of the making of this video. So first up, let's try the Pathfinder. Now, this is a feather-light case. It does feature their patent hard outer shell, and it does have a soft impact resistant core. Check it out right there. Does have raised bumper corners for protection from drops. This is a military grade tested, drop tested. I don't know the exact height, but it's pretty much a guarantee that this will protect your phone without any kind of problem. Now, this does have a soft raised, the rubber lip part to protect it. Has some lip action on here, so you shouldn't have any problems. All the ports and cutouts are on point, so you shouldn't have any problems with that. The camera is protected and recessed, so that's a good thing. You shouldn't have any problem with that. And the opening for the do not disturb portion of the case is very easy to get at, no problems. Does have a nice grip on the side for that added security. Volume rocker buttons are nice and clicky and broken in. No problem with that. Power button, easy to work with. These are wirelessly charge compatible. As you can see there, it's working, no problem. Again, this case is it does have that hard shell and the nice corners for drop protection. I am have a tempered glass on there. But again, this case goes for $39.95, the UAG Pathfinder. Next up, we got the Monarch. Now, this is with the carbon fiber look to it. Now, this one is pretty much the top of the line one. It's been drop tested 2 times. Is I guess standard height limit. This case does come with a 10-year limited warranty, but you must go to UAG website to get the actual details of the warranty itself. Now, this handcrafted feather-like construction has a 5-layer protection. It has a carbon fiber. The leather one has a top grain leather. It does have metal hardware involved in the making of this case with the screws that's on the back of the case. Beautiful case. Like I said, it has the metal screws right there in the corners. Carbon fiber look, cutouts, raised corners for the protection of the back of the case. They call these like skid pads or whatever. Does have a honeycomb resistant interior and traction grip on the side. Let's check it out and see what it looks like on the green iPhone. Look nice and clean with the phone. The buttons are very clicky and tactile and responsive. it's blended in, but at the same time, it is separated where you can find it very easily, but it's a very nice design where it blends in with the side of it. Same thing with the power button. Cutouts, you shouldn't have any problems with these at all. Just real nice. You can see how much that camera is recessed. Easy access to the do not disturb button. Beautiful case. A little bulky. I don't know if you can actually carry this in your actual pocket, but this would be a nice case if you're, you know, you headed out, you're doing something on the outdoors, or you're maybe somebody who works outside. I can see you taking advantage of a case like this. Let's check out wireless charging. No problem. All UAG cases work with wireless charging. Sometimes you got to see it to believe it. So this one, again, like I said, is $59.95. You do get them with this black trim and the leather if you don't like the carbon fiber. You do have one with a red trim and a leather if you don't like that carbon fiber one. But I want to give a special shout out to my boy Forbes Tech Review, who got me to hook up with UAG. Appreciate it, homie. But yeah, my name is Rob Pouncey. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, like I said, please feel free to subscribe. So that pretty much does it for the UAG Pathfinder and Monarch cases. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate it. And other than that, I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.